So, Sneha, how was your journey in MMDC?
Um, First of all, thank you so much, ma'am. Give me this incredible opportunity to present my views for MMDC. MMDC is a multi-million challengers who make the influencers and right speakers. The journey in between MMDC is a very correct and right journey because here this journey is without grammar, without like books, and no any hesitation old process. And this journey is totally unique for me, and I get love to take challenges, and this platform offer you to take challenge and improve yourself individually, and by confident to present myself here. Thank you.
Yeah. So, Sneha, rate yourself before joining MMDC and after joining MMDC.
Before joining MMDC, I am a student. Like, I am always in confusion. Am I speaking well? Is there any mistake happening with me? I conduct 4 interviews in my college level. There is a somehow mistakes happen, and they gives me feedback. You are under confidence. You are not presenting your body postures, and all that things you have to need improve it. Then after I am like low confident girl, and I deliver what I wanted to deliver the front person. And after
Is there any issues, Sneha? Yes. So, let's quickly move to the next question. So, what really helped you to achieve this much confidence and fluency?
for getting and achieving the confidence, first I just look the how MMDC deliver process their process. And day one I'm not confident. This process is helped me to boost my confidence and fluency. But after trying and taking one step towards the improvement, the 21-day challenge video making, and adding my point in videos, and conducting the speech minimum 2 minutes only, that can give add value and sense in my communication. And it 21-day challenge is very essential to take for me, and I can conduct it very well, and this will help me to improve my confidence and fluency.
Wow. So, Sneha, how mock interview helped you?
Mock interviews.
Yeah.
First, yeah, mock interviews are a very important plays very important role in my communication, because after attending mock interviews, I realize which mistakes I repeated every time, which mistake I have to overcome. And after doing that mistake, it is very important, after getting feedback, it is very important to uh, overcome it in less time. Like, you know what mistakes happening from your side, then you have to overcome it, and then I can overcome it all the difficulties which I am facing. And mock interview and the people's gives me feedback, especially Amit sir gives me very right and strong feedback about my fluency and my English, how I can like disturb and pronunciation where I am hesitating. That so many things they eliminate within my speech and answers, and I they gives me right feedback to improve myself, and I take it as a, positive way, and I can boost my all the difficulties and weak points.
Well answered. So tell me why someone should join MMDC rather than other spoken English institutes.
A very special and right question. Why MMDC? Because all classes and the other institute where we are learning English, they are conducting old process. It means they provide grammar book, they provide video lecture, or the lectures they give as usually we can attend from the class 1 to class 10, like English lectures. They are same as usually take 1 hour to learn of us, and specially take charge from us too high fees. Here the the MMDC club charge very less amount and provide yourself.
Yeah, that's really
Thank you.
nice. So apart from your fluency, have MMDC helped you in your other like personal or professional life also?
Yes, too much. Okay, I just explain.
Yes.
Apart from fluency, when I can connect with the MMDC accountability partners or other members which are present in MMDC group, uh, I think everyone is like a unique book. Everyone has a new and a unique talent to represent them. They have I am an engineer. All are in our group are lawyer, like teacher, and all specialists, and they are help me to how survive, how to mm, a person who have confidence, which type of difficulties they face, which type of difficulties I can face, I can share them. And this is a neutral thing for me. I just gain that confidence that everyone is facing same situation. I am not the one, and everyone is trying to overcome the situation, and you can do it. This type of confidence come from them.
Wow. So Sneha, you have gained amazing confidence. So any tips for the learners who present here who will see your interview online, how to gain confidence?
Okay, for gaining confidence, I preferred all of you. And I individual, I am a very low confident girl. Um, Before joining the MMDC, and I always wanted to be a confident girl. But if you want, it is that doesn't matter what you want. But the Amit sir always gives example of Modi sir, which is our prime minister, that जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. That's why you have to show yourself. You have to present yourself confidently, and that things comes within yourself, not from outsource and any other things. So take a challenge. Take a challenge. Challenges are the frame of ourselves. They can show you are a living. You are living and you are present present in the moment. So take challenge and boost yourself every day, and be positive for the learning point of view.
Okay, Sneha. So Sneha, you have taken Instagram challenge also. So tell me, what is the benefit of creating videos? What are the benefits of creating videos?
Okay. First of all, I really desperate to start one of my channel on in like a social media on social media. after giving challenge, after getting challenge from Amit sir, I just desperately just said, yes, I can accept this challenge. I have to make videos on likewise social media platform and daily every day. So this helped me to like socially also people are helping you. Just don't think too much you are like under confidence, you are not present yourself well. Just have to take one step toward the your ideas, and it will be make a sense and good opportunity to you. Yeah, that is all.
So, what motivated you to join MMDC Club?
The motivation is like motivation is 9:15 session, where like a 9:50 session is like a jam session, and it gives you opportunity to speak individually in our group. And there we can listen everyone's opinion, how they are present their point, and which mistakes we are doing, or like which points we are like eliminating within us, which type of improvements we have to add. No, 9:50 session is not a session, this is a like a sorry, it's like a whole days like a blooming time. There we can present instead of our daily routine and daily conversation, we can speak like a different something with the colleagues we are joining in MMDC. This is the way.
Wow. So, next question for you. How accountability partners call helped you?
Accountability partners are help me. They are uh, every day or alternative days call us, and like inquire us, you are you attending 9:50 session, are you making videos daily basis, is there any problem or influency, you can share us, you can communicate with us anytime anywhere. And they can connect with a call or a WhatsApp. They are always ready to help us on any time.
Huh. So, Sneha, have you received compliments? Any specific compliment?
um,
How
like a
many compliments you have received for your fluency?
Okay. For my fluency, first of all, as a compliment, I take feedback, which is got me in mock interviews from the HR ma'ams and Amit sir. This is very special compliment from those people, because feedback is a best compliment to improve myself. And in our group, everyone is share their opinion after watching our videos, and that are positive compliment to boost myself 1% daily.
Okay. So, your final speech, your Oscar speech, what will be your final message for somebody who will watch your interview online?
Okay, finally I have to say that uh, stay consistent, and stay consistent and try to be the person who have to be inner strength to develop ourselves, and not hesitate or take I am not able to do, I am not conducting every day, I can ask Amit sir, I am not completing this challenge, and how to I overcome it. Thus sir says me that everyone has this type of feeling, but you have to, whenever you return, try to be the person who has not done it these things. You are the one on the destiny like this.
Outstanding interview. What a wonderful performance you have given, Sneha. Congratulations. Congratulations, not just for your fluency, but for your confidence, your transformation, your hard work, your smart work have paved for it. So, congratulations, Sneha, for achieving your fluency and raising the flag of MMDC. So,
Thank you
had
so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Sneha.
Hi, so I was just witnessing this interview. I knew this is one of the best interviews that we're going to have in the last 2 to 3 months because the kind of dedication, the kind of effort, the kind of perseverance which Sneha has shown is really, really commendable. As she was going to appear for an interview very, very soon. She's in the final year almost, and she's going to appear for the final interview for her placements. And I think we threw her a challenge, and she accepted it with whole heart. And look at the way 12 videos and counting. And I'm very happy because MMDC, the last word C stands for challenge. We keep on telling all our learners, but this lady, this girl, this youngster, just took that challenge head on. And look at the way she's growing. Look at the way she's shining. I'm very, very confident that you will definitely rock it in your interview. You have to keep on growing. That is the point. Do not stop because you have to keep on walking every day. And when you keep on walking every day, it will start showing up. So 12 videos, I'm very happy, but I want you to make us even more proud. I think you will be worrying. You'll be actually winning this particular month's challenge. The challenge was Instagram challenge. Create your videos, and we'll be giving you some kind of rewards for being the best of creator, the best influencer. You have gained a lot of fan following. You've won a lot of hearts in MMDC because by the great effort you have taken. So I'm very, very proud. And look at the kind of confidence you're building up. But yes, you have to don't get complacent. That is the only submission. Don't get complacent. Just keep on pushing yourself because in the interview in today's day, people are not looking for people who can give 100%. They're looking for people who can give 500%. So sky is the limit. Uh, Amazing, Sneha, for raising the bar as Hina told, and I'm very, very happy. And we want to wish you more power. So, what would be your comments and remarks? Because we have the particular plan right now of somebody who has achieved their fluency, we give them 100% cashback. So, I just wanted to record your comments right now. What is your feeling? What is your emotion after winning that 100% cashback? What is your answer to that? What is your response to that? Yeah.
My opinion about I am very much excited when Nipa ma'am says me you have to be interviewed today, and I just excited, but excited doesn't makes you sense because I just breathe 3 to 4 breathe and stop myself. I started to preparing myself. It is the way we have celebrating the small success. This is very matter to me, and after that I can started to preparing myself, and for this all scenario make me like very much happy, and this is my first time I am presenting my opinion in front of all of you guys. Thank you very much for listening my words, and thank you Amit sir for giving me compliments,
You know what,
and
Sneha? I'll be coming to Pune
thank
recently and I'll be meeting you there. But
you
apart from that, what is happening is
now
you are a true inspiration for all the
ma'am.
members who are watching this interview online and offline. A true inspiration for everybody. And trust me, this interview will go down the line of MMDC as one of the best interviews because you started on a different note altogether. Thank you so much, Sneha, for actually taking the bar to such a level. So just over to you once again for the vote of thanks, and then we'll conclude. Deepak, we have got your question covered, and we'll be answering that. But this is